we're at it again. Ethan's going for a bike ride. We're actually going to get ice cream. Yeah, they cut some people that live here cut their hedging and don't clean up. Emily, help him. Go. I thought he was going to go on the road. I know he had control like that. So there goes the big boy. It's like first time riding a bike. Like we did not have a bike before. Well, yeah, you're already yesterday, but this is your first summer riding a bike. You normally have your car that you drive and your bike at daycare. Emily, say hi to the Sunshines. Emily's going to take over the vlog soon. She's going to be vlogging. You want to say hi to the Sunshines? Okay, let me come around so you can say hi to the Sunshine.
I just did.
So let them see your face.
Hi, Sunshine.
Yeah, so we're on our way to Dairy Queens. I feel like 5 minutes later, we haven't made much progress. He's having such a hard time pedaling. Like, we're coming from like down there. And we're here. I'm not doing slow motion of anything, and I'm not pretending I'm dead. What? Sam Emily's up there. I almost felt like we should have just drove. But let me enjoy these moments because they grow fast. We can't get these things back. Amy, next time.
Caterpillar, Mommy. I said that's a beautiful caterpillar.
Yeah.
Mommy,
I haven't seen a
why is it
caterpillar
not
in a long
moving?
time. I know, I'm wondering.
Maybe Amy killed it.
So, you want to take something and touch it? Take a stick? Here, get one of those. Is he alive? Oh, he's alive. He's sleeping. You see? Ah, he's alive. He's just sleeping. Leave him. He's going to turn into a beautiful butterfly.
Yes.
You want to put him on the grass? I don't know. Do we put them on the grass? And we made it to Dairy Queen. What a miss. We're like 45 minutes later. Here's your ice cream. Now we went to get napkins. We only want to give us one napkin. I know, I got ask any more napkins.
When do we mean to do that?
Beautiful, isn't it? One napkin. We just finished Dairy Queen, and now Emily's riding the bike. It was nice. She's asking Ethan to push her. I think it's a crap bike. Good job, muscle man. Oh, you know he's gonna take some. That's why you said that.